Good morning, early risers! Ang ating menu for today is ginisang upo with fresh alamang. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you! Tagtarin ng bawang at sibuyas at ginayat na kamatis. Kailangan natin ng fresh alamang. 20 pesos lang yung bili ko rito at kalahati ng upo which is 15 pesos lang. Also pampalasa, asin, paminta, paprika at oil. Linisin ang alamang ng mga 4 to 5 times using the strainer para hindi malansa. And also yung upo, balatan na and hiwain, tanggalin ang mga buto nito. Pwede naman may buto, pero ako mas prefer ko yung walang buto. And then, hiwain lang ng ganito. So, depende kung gusto mo na mas makapal or mas manipis. Gusto ko maliliit lang kasi para mabilis maluto. Napakaganda ng morning kasi magluluto ako ng pang-lunch. So, painitin ng kawali. Pag mainit na, lagyan na ng mantika. Ito ay 3 tablespoon. Ginamit ko is olive oil. Dahil ginisa ang ulam natin, so of course, ang bawang at sibuyas muna. Oops! Huwag isama ang lalagyan, okay? So, ayan na. So, brownish na yung ating garlic and then add na natin yung ating kamatis. If you want more kamatis, much better din naman. So, ako kasi isa lang yung kamatis dun sa ref. Bango na siya. So, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating fresh alamang. Then, let's just cook the alamang for about 10 minutes. Malalaman mo na luto na ito pag nag-change color na siya into brownish. And then, please season with salt and pepper. So, depende. Ako kasi, I prefer yung hindi ganong kaalat. So, half teaspoon and half teaspoon of pepper and also yung we can add in yung paprika at the end of the cooking time. From the start of cooking, I have used medium fire. So, up until the end of cooking time. I don't add water kasi yung upo is watery siya. But if you want to add water para mas masabaw din, pwede. And just add some more seasoning. Add na yung upo and then cover it for 5 minutes and then check it out. If natutusok na tinidor yung upo, that means it's cooked already. My secret for the radiant color for my upo with fresh alawang is paprika. So 1 teaspoonful lang and then just mix it up. It smells really good. Ay, ang sarap ng kumain. Brunch na ito. So, again, thank you for watching Early Risers. Enjoy your meal and partner ko rito is pritong tilapia. Bye! Have a good day!